Hello, I'm Brent Farris from the Boolean Studios, and I'm back to go over a little bit about Boolean toggles. So toggling out bools is fairly important for switching things, and I'm going to show you how to do that through color. So let's create a game object. Let's just create I don't want a cube, I want a sphere. Let's get a sphere. I'm going to zero out its transforms, and I'm going to drag this sphere into the uScript window. So now I have a sphere instance, and what I want to do is do on a graph start. So when the graph starts, when the uScript graph starts, I want to call an event, and what I want to do is let's create a Boolean. We can go through variables here. We can right click and do add variables and do bool. Either one works, and then we're going to name this isRed. So what we're going to do is if it's red, then it changes to white, and if it's white, it changes to red. So let's start off first with a delay. So let's type in delay into the search box, bring over a delay node. On graph start, go into the delay. The delay will wait 3 seconds. And then what we want to do is compare the Boolean. So let's type in compare, and you'll see compare bool. Just click that and bring it over next to your delay. And don't plug it into immediate, plug it in after delay. And you want to compare isRed. So let's do material, let's see, color. So assign material color is the node we're going to use. We're going to have 2 of them, so just copy and paste it. And what it'll do is, if it's true, so if it is red, we're going to change the color to white. So let's pick the color here, let's choose white. And if it is not red, then we want to change it to red. So let's change this color to red. And the input target shall be the sphere that we drug in the beginning. So let's drag the sphere to be the input target. Now I'm going to do something a little bit special here. I'm going to take the output of this and go into the original input delay on both of these. Actually, sorry, I forgot. I need to set a toggle bool. Let's do toggle, kind of the main thing. Toggle bool is here. So both of these are going to pipe into the toggle bool, and both the input variable of the target of the toggle bool will be this Boolean, and the output will be this Boolean. So it goes in, switches to, if it's true, it switches to false. If it's false, it switches to true, and then stores that result into the original Boolean, basically toggling it. And then the output of this toggle, we're going to go back to the input of the delay. So it looks like it's going to cycle. Just hit save debug. We're going to save this as color demo, or actually bool demo. Bool toggle demo. Yes. Let it compile. Now before we continue, we need to assign a material to this object. So I'm just going to create a material, call it proxy. You can see that I named it proxy, and drag it onto that sphere. So it now has the material, and its color is set to white. So now we can put this to where we can kind of see it and hit play. You can see that it goes in. It will wait 3 seconds and switch to red. You can see isRed is now true. Now it's false. So every 3 seconds it's going to cycle. True, and then false. And you can see that it's changing the material. So it's super important to have toggling bools, because you can only imagine all of the things that you could do by toggling bools on and off. This is just a simple example. I hope it gets you started on Booleans and how you can toggle them and get it all working. So until next time, have a good day.